Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds HONOR Earbuds to Lite with your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now, firstly make sure that your Bluetooth turned on. Then open the charging case. But do not remove your earbuds from the case. If you remove them, just put them back. At the right side, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on the front side starts blinking white. So press and hold. And we just enter to pairing mode, so we should see them at the device list. And right here we have them. Tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!